Welcome back to the show. As you mentioned before, Dr. Pang, 2 players are remaining, critical to this obesity solution. Could you explain who they are?
Certainly. The 4th player is the local community and local support structure. When there is an environment surrounding you that educates, informs, and promotes the local population about healthy eating and encourages the local population to be more active, then a positive cycle of reinforcement starts to occur. It won't be obvious at first, and it might be even a little weird, but eventually everyone will begin to view this as the new norm. My point is everyone becomes influenced by their environment. Everyone.
That sounds all very nice, but what specific strategies can the local community implement?
I thought you might ask that question. Firstly, local communities could hold a weekend farmers market near the town center that showcases the freshest local produce to the public. With the collaboration of local restaurants, they could also set up food stalls to provide delicious, healthier food alternatives to what most people are normally used to. Secondly, local communities could start to organize active events like half marathons, mud runs, glow runs, outdoor activities like camping and hiking, obstacle races, or whatever you can imagine encouraging people to move more and make it fun. The ideas are endless. When you feel you are part of a community, you will naturally feel inspired to do more and move more. Thirdly, which is very important, there should be a free and easy way for people to ask for help when they are struggling with their obesity issues. The first step to overcoming any issue is to openly admit you have a problem to someone and to receive the right help along the way. Without this, everyone goes back to their old ways, and the downward negative spiral will inevitably continue.
That's some great solutions you pointed out, Dr. Pang, and that leads us to the final player. Who would that be?
It's pretty obvious, isn't it? It's the individual which is the most important player of all 5. You must realize that obesity is a completely preventable disease. Only you, the individual, have the choice to decide what you want to put inside your body. It's completely up to you, the individual, how much portion size you want to consume. It's completely up to you, the individual, whether you want to feel healthy and great or feel miserable. It's completely up to you, the individual, whether to eat ice cream every day rather than fresh fruits and vegetables. And it's completely up to you, whether you believe your health is important to you or not. That means it is completely your responsibility to choose the right decisions for your health. At the end of the day, we can blame everyone until the sun comes down, but it's no one else's responsibility except your own. From what I've seen, the people who don't take responsibility for their health, their eating habits, and their lifestyle and who end up blaming everyone else except themselves are the ones I end up seeing on the operating table.
Wow. That is amazing and very, very informative, Dr. Pang. If that doesn't get you to change, then I don't know what will. Thank you so much for coming in today and providing your expert take on the obesity epidemic.
It was a pleasure. Thank you for having me, April.
Now, that concludes our show for today. On next week's show, we will look at the amazing technologies that will completely transform our society within the next 20 years. Until next week, I'm your host, April Jones. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.